friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is another monthly collaboration that I'm doing with my sweet friend Christy over at Christy's Farmhouse. And this month we are bringing to you delicious summer desserts. So if you are ready for summer and you are ready for some delicious dessert ideas to make for your picnics or your cookouts, then this is the place that you need to be. We put together a playlist of a bunch of other YouTubers that are also giving you some delicious dessert ideas. So make sure that you check out the playlist that I'm leaving in my description box below. Make sure you check out Christy's channel, show her a little bit of love while you're over there, and tell her that I sent you when you go. But now let's go ahead and get into these delicious desserts. All right, what I'm gonna make is a blueberry cinnamon streusel bread. I just think blueberries are one of the fruits of summer. So I'm just gonna make this muffin mix. They have on the back bread instructions. So I'm gonna do the bread, but I'm gonna add blueberries and we will see how it turns out. So basically you need the cinnamon streusel cake or muffin mix, a 1/4 cup of water. Let me make sure that's right. No, sorry, 2/3 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of oil, and then your blueberries. I'm using fresh, and I have read that the fresh is better, they're juicier. If you use the frozen, it puts a little too much water into the batter, so that's why I'm using fresh. So let me go ahead and get all of this put together. This is the streusel mix, and then this is the bread, the muffin mix. And you need 2 eggs. And then I'm going to gently fold all of this together, mix all of it together, being careful not to overmix. Now I've sprayed my dish with spray. So I'm not actually gonna mix the blueberries in. I'm gonna put the blueberries on top. We'll see how that works. And when I put them on top, what I'm hoping for is I'm hoping that they won't like all sink to the bottom. And I'm hoping that the muffin mix will kind of bake up around them. So that's why I'm doing that. So now I'm just gonna put, you know, it's so funny because I love blueberries in stuff, but I don't like, well, I can't say I don't like just eating blueberries. They're just not my favorite. So I totally prefer blueberries in stuff. So anyway, you can use as many or as little blueberries as you want. And once you have the right amount, then we're gonna make up the streusel or the crumble part of the cake, or yeah, bread. And I probably should have done this in a loaf pan. That's okay, oh well. Won't cook as long. All right, I think that's enough. All right, now let me get the streusel ready. All right, now I'm gonna cut this open. This is all ready. It's like the crumble part. I've dropped a lot of it. Anyway, just wanna sprinkle it on top. I actually made this one time with, you know what, I'll probably put some butter on top too. Some pats of butter. I made this one time with apples and it was really good. All right, I think I'm gonna get some butter and slice it up and just kind of put some on top. All right, now I have my oven preheated to 425, and I read somewhere that if you put it in a 425 oven for like the first 10 minutes, then put it down to whatever the recipe calls for, the box calls for, it will make it rise better. So I'm gonna try it. So 425 for 10 minutes, and then 375 for another 25 to 35 minutes. This looks so good and it smells so delicious. You can eat this. This is one of those things where you can either eat it for breakfast, but well, I'd probably eat it for dessert or breakfast. I'm not much of a breakfast eater, but this is something I could eat for breakfast. This is also a great dessert. Top it with some delicious vanilla ice cream and you have a delicious summer dessert. All right, you have to tell me in the comments below. Are you a fruity dessert person or are you a chocolatey dessert, like real decadent dessert person? I think the older that I've gotten, the more I've kind of become more of a fruity kind of dessert person. I love the peach desserts, the blueberry, strawberry. I just love apple. Those desserts, I love them. So anyway, let me know in the comments below. But I would like to thank Christy once again for co-hosting this collaboration with me. It's always fun every month. We do this once a month and every month we have a different theme. So make sure if you're not subscribed to either of our channels that you make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those monthly collaboration videos. But if you are new to my channel and you like recipe ideas, shopping hauls, home decor, as well as some home organization, then I would love it if you would click that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. Also, when you do subscribe, you are helping me reach my yearly goal to reach 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So I would really appreciate that. But if you are looking for more dessert ideas, then make sure to check out the box you see on the screen right now, and I will see you next time. Bye.